Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about that Bollinger Band breakout kind of trade. So the with ATR, so BB band with ATR scanner, which I have already created, and I shared to my Telegram channel. If you want that scanner, you can go to my Telegram channel. Below the description of this video, you will be getting the channel link. So you can join there and you can get that scanner. So what I'm going to discuss in this video, how we are going to follow this particular Bollinger Band with the ATR today, and also I am a big surprise to my subscribers. I'm going to send you the real-time alert based on this scanner for intraday. So first we will go to check the 15 minutes time frame. This is what a 15 minutes time frame. I have already given you the scanner. So but what I'm going to do, so how many stocks we find out by this on 15 minutes time frame. Let's see, today we have three stocks. The at first one is the 17th January today by 9:30 itself. The stock is SBI card. So we are using there's a Bollinger Band is narrowing and the breakout. We are expecting the breakout. So with 15 minutes time frame, we are going to use a 15 minutes time frame, and we use the indicator like Bollinger Band. It's a normal indicator. So this is what SBI. So we will be going to SBI cards. That is the stock. So can you able to see that this is the narrow and range, and then it has expanded the range. So what logic we are used, the range should be narrow, and finally it should be expand. So that kind of time, if any candle which is closed above the level or below the level, we are going to focus for a buy opportunity, and we are going to focus for a sell opportunity. As per this candle, it is forms a high, and sorry, this is happening 9:30, right? The first candle should be very high in the range. So can you see that the big range? But the second candle should be opened in between the band, and it is closed below the band. So this is the candle where our scanner filter out this stock. So what kind of trade we are going to do? Whenever this low is broken, we are going to sell, and we keep the stop loss of this high. So this is the risk, and this is the reward. So this trade gives you entry, and what happened in this particular trade, let we see today's intraday. This is a signal generated by 9:30, where your entry is going to around 888.35, and the stop loss for the trade is 893. So somewhere around 5 rupees risk for the trade. After the entry trigger, it made a low of 886, just 2 rupees. But until end of the day, it never trigger your stop loss. By closing, it is 886.58. So intraday trade, we should close the position by intraday, and this is the trade candle. So then we are going to sell below the level. If the candle closes below the lower band, we are going to focus for a sell signal. If any candle which is closed above the upper Bollinger Band, we are going to focus for a buy signal. So it is broken, and it gives you some minimum profit, never without triggering your stop loss. So it is also be a successful trade. And what are the stock which is coming at three stocks? We got a 15 minutes time frame. So second one is UBL. So at 10:15, let's see UBL, which is present at 10:15. Where is the candle? This is the 10:15 candle. Can you able to see that particular stock where there is a Bollinger Band is narrowing and it started expanding? So that particular time, this particular candle where it is closed below the lower Bollinger Band, but after that it never give you entry opportunity. So let me try it, and it's never give you an entry opportunity. The low for the trade is 1648.1. The next candle which low is 8.15. So it never trigger your entry. So this particular stock, we don't have a opportunity for the trade. And third one should be the stock which is, I'm going to say, Alchem Laboratories. Let me try it. Alchem Laboratories. This is happening by 10:30. Yes. So 10:30 we got a signal, but it triggers you when it triggers you the entry point. The low for the traders somewhere around 3596, 3596.2. After that it never break the low, but the low was broken on this particular time around 3950. The low for the traders 9620. this particular candle only your low was broken around 1 o'clock. The say trade signal were generated by 10:30, but entry got triggered on 1 o'clock. After the entry from it made a low of 3570 with the 3596, almost 25 point down, and the stop loss for the trade may be 35 rupees because it is a 3596 to 3630. 35 rupees is the risk, and it triggers your low and it gives you also profit. So we find out such a kind of trade by today three stocks. That three stocks we have a two entry and one should be the stop loss, but today market is a little bit volatile up and down. But even this scenario we have a two entries both ending with the profit, but never trigger your target, so minimum profit it is both are ending. Right, it is about a 15 minutes time frame. The same scanner we are using for hourly also. Let me try it out if any stock which present for hourly time frame today. So let me try. This is happening by 31st December and this is happening by 14th January, and we didn't get any stocks on hourly basis. Let me try it out. This is happening on hourly basis on 14th January. If you are taking an hourly basis, should be it's a positional kind of trade. So because if you are the entertainment, we got a entry opportunity on 16 minutes time frame. That has not happened recently. And positionally it has happened on where it has happened on 17th, sorry, it has happened by 14th January 115. 14th January 115, maybe this. It is hourly trade. It triggers you the entry by 2 days later on 17th Jan, but after that it triggers you triggers your entry. It went up, but it never triggered your stop loss. The stop loss nearby 325 and 321 is your stop loss. Maybe it triggers your entry but never give you your targets right now. So this way we can easily use this pattern, and also we have the daily scanners that I almost already shared you everyone. So this is for a positional trade on daily basis. So we didn't get any recently, we didn't get any stocks that is lost. We got it around the 6th January. That is what trend that we already seen on the previous videos. And weekly basis also be there. So weekly basis, what kind of stocks we got it, and we have. So this is the starting of the week 10th January. We have a stocks is closed by 14th January. So last week. So 14th January is the Friday, so the weekend. So what the stock which stands in the front, that is what Granules on 14th January. Let's check Granules what will happen on that. 14th Jan. So we are going to take weekly chart. It's not about a daily time frame, it's a weekly time frame. If you have weekly time frame, can you able to check it out? When this eye is broken, there is an entry point on a weekly basis, but it is down, it never give you opportunity, not yet. So once the price of the trade which is given you the entry breakout above the high, you are going to get it out. That price is 362.4, but the 318 is the stop loss. Near about a 40 point is the risk, right? Because it is a weekly time frame, we have a high risk high reward concept. We need to take as an investment or a positional option trading, we can use this concept. So what I am going to do here right now, so in intraday, so we have already running a group, so intraday alerts, everyone who know, so there I provide you some alerts for my paid customers. Okay, so here I provide you the real-time alerts. So let me see some stocks we got it. So what I am using here today at 9:15, 9:16 we got about. So if you are using intraday as well as 16-minute signal, when the 15-minute signal after 9:30 we will consider. So today we got a BPCL intraday sales signal at 405. So let me try it out what we are using here, and REC, BPCL. These are the 15-minute sales signal we generated. IGL, India Cement, a lot of stocks we got it on 15 minutes. This is a real-time trade where we are sending you the alert by this is happening by 9:30 by BPCL. We are giving you sell signal at 15 minutes. So what logic we are using for the BPCL on that particular scanner? We used for a Bollinger Band, higher Bollinger Band. So the stock must be closed above upper Bollinger Band. This should be the upper Bollinger Band. So when we got an entry opportunity 10:35. So here you got a trade trigger. So this is what the trade where you are going to trigger. This is the candle where it is closed above the upper Bollinger Band. So here we are mentioning the candle must be closed upper Bollinger Band. The next candle should cross below the lower Bollinger Band. That should be my trade entry, and this should be my stop loss. So what happened here in BPCL, the first trade in intraday basis 404 and 402.8 is my entry price. What my alert says, you are going to the crossing below, that one is around when BPCL, where is the BPCL? Yes, it's showing you 405 at 9:35. Because of this, immediately it fallen down. But next, the candle you are going to check the 402.8. When it trigger, your stop loss for a 404 till the day the stop loss is not triggered, it coming down to 399.8 is the lowest price. That 2 rupees you are taken a risk. At about 2 rupees, 1.2 is your risk. That 1.2, it is giving you more than 1.2. And the second stock what we have generated here, REC Limited at 947. Let me try REC 947. This should be the candle. The 15 minutes time frame we are using for a 15 minutes time frame. It is a 9:30 and the candle got triggered by 9:47. This particular candle. So this low is the sale entry 139.75. Your stop loss should be this, and meanwhile it triggers your target. Maybe you are taking the risk of 39.75 to 40.10, very minimum risk on that particular. So you may be getting triggered. And let's see. So like that we are using the sending alerts for intraday signals. Okay. And what was the next one? The 15 minutes same like that. IGL India Cement. Let me try it out. IGL. And someone were using that IGL where it given you sell signal in IGL time. This should be sell entry. This is the big candle 461 to 465. You may be taken by sell signal by the next candle of just a second. Why the time is different. Intraday sell signal. India Cement intraday buy signal. This was a buy signal. IGL and India Cement was a buy signal on 15 minutes time frame. That is happening by 9:48. So let me try it out. 9:48 buy signal. This candle high would be the buy. So next candle it triggers the entry here from the 457 455. So 2 rupees is the risk once it is triggered, and then it gives you more than 2 rupees. The target reached within the next 15 minutes. And India Cement, that has given you buy signal, I think. India Cement. Cement. So this is the candle where we are going to find out the opportunity. That signal were generated on our alert system. That is happening by same 9:48. So where the next candle is broken. What is the risk for the trade? 449 and 247, 249, 2 rupees again, and it triggers, and finally it triggers you the stop loss. This one failure trade gives you it the stop loss. This is what the entry point and this is what the stop loss. Your stop loss got triggered. After it is the stop loss, it triggers well in the end of the day. So as per the trade, this is what a stop loss kind of. Let me try it out on hourly basis. Hourly basis also we are providing a alert. Let me try any hourly signal where you got. If your hourly signal you got it, you can go to trade by after 10:15. So this is exactly happen on 10:50 BEL still signal on 219.8 at 10:15. Let me try it BEL. What happened in? It's happening on an hourly time frame. 60 minutes, but 15 minutes also be there. But it is not happening today. It was broken after 2-3 candles. We are focusing for a next candle to break. That's why it is not coming under this candle. But as of the hourly, first 15 minutes, this was 10:15. Sorry, this is the first candle where closed by. The next candle itself will triggered from 219. The risk for the trade is 219.75 to 3 rupees 222.8. Then the market is going down towards 215. That is also be 1:1 target reached on the particular stock. So this way we are using a alert for a 15 minutes hourly, and also daily also we are providing the alert on that group. Let me try it hourly. Daily I got today Vibro, I think. We try it out. Daily signal I find out Vibro. We try. Here can you see that Vibro? There is a signal was generated by 10:56 on daily basis. It's a Vibro is a daily buy. Try daily buy. Yes, daily buy signal by Vibro 650 almost 649.75. So let me try it out. What happened in Vibro? The daily time frame. So we have a lot of signals drawings. So maybe 10:45 triggers by 600 and somewhere around 649.75. Then the market is triggers your entry point, and still the market is trading 647.85, 1 rupee low, but the risk for the trade is the previous low, that is what 636. It's a positional trade. We generate the signal by daily time frame. Clear? So we can carry the position by 2 or 3 days. This is for a positional purpose. Okay, so my entry got triggered. Let me see what will happen in future, what will happen in the coming days. So this signals along with this Bollinger Band. So what we are using, and based on the Bollinger Band scanner, the one, so when the candle which closed above Bollinger Band, so when it is broken that, so selling opportunity we are focusing. When the candle is closed below Bollinger Band, we are focusing for a buy opportunity. This is the two way where you are using sell and buy signal. So 15 minutes, 16 minutes and daily time frame. Now on that group, I'm going to add that 15 minutes and 16 minutes, that range breakout, that is what ATR, Bollinger Band, BB band with ATR factor. I'm going to send you real-time alert on that group. So you can, when you get the alert, you will find out there is a possibilities, the risk reward ratio is good, and if you want to take a trade, you can trade. So these two kind of alert, one is at 15 minutes and 16 minutes, I'm going to send you the alert by Bollinger Band trick. But I'm not going to send you daily and weekly because it is a EOD scanner. You can easily scan because I provided the scanner with the free of cost. You can make, you can check with the EOD and you can try to do. But right now in this paid group, I'm going to add some more two alerts, that is called that Bollinger Band with ATR 15 minutes and Bollinger Band with uh, 16 minutes ATR. So that's two scanners I'm going to add. Don't confuse those who are already subscribed. So don't confuse for that. So you can make use of it, that scanner, which will give you the real time alert. So after that, when you get the alert, you can go to the stock and check it out whether the risk is suitable to you. You can find out a trade, then you can make your own trade. So that's about this video, and this is the thing which I'm going to do. And thanks for being with me, and thanks for subscribing my YouTube channel. And if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you liked it, kindly share to your friends. If you have any questions, just comment on the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.